Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to consolidate date time records into date. Okay, so what I have here is for a particular company's products sales. Okay, so these transactions on in the month of May, and I have about 61 records. 61 records. Okay, in this record you can able to see that for the May 1st you have about 11 o'clock 11 p.m. you have 2042 one sale, and also you have different sales in the for the 1st of May itself about 8 p.m. as well as the 9:21 a.m. Okay, so three records are there for on May 1st itself. Okay, so what I want here is that I want to consolidate this date times record into only the date. For example, I want the total number of sales made on 1st May, okay, 2018. So how can I do that? For that I'm going to use the pivot table, and let's see how to consolidate for data. Okay, so you select the data, then what I am going to do, I am going to go to insert, then the pivot table. Okay, once I selected, it will show this is the table range what you have selected, and this the data you want to analyze. Yes, I want to analyze this the range which I already selected. If not, I must go back and select it again. Okay, then go where do you want to put the pivot table to be. I want to put it in existing worksheet, which is the same worksheet here, and put it here in D1. Then do you want to analyze multiple tables? I don't want to analyze multiple tables, so I just press OK. Okay, once done, it pop up with the pivot tables area and the pivot table fields. Okay, so I'm going to select the pivot table fields to create the pivot table. Okay, now I'm going to select the date time and sales. Okay, I put date time. It already grouping the date time. Okay, sometimes it will group like this, or sometimes it may not group. Okay, so what I'm doing here is that I just do one undo, then the grouping will go. Okay, so this is what I expected, but it is already grouping. If you got the grouping, it's very fine. Okay, if you are not getting grouping, you will get this kind of records. Okay, then also the sales. Okay, this is the it's a sales date, and this is sum of sales. And also I want the one more sales here, sum of sales, because I want to make it 1 to the count. Go to values field setting, click value field setting, then I want the count. Okay, how many records per okay, double click, I just change the name. Okay, so one is the count. Okay, I close this. One is the count, and the other one is the sales. Double click, and sum of sales. Okay, so these two I have. So you can see that for the May itself we have 3 individual records, and the sum of sales for each, which is nothing but the raw data, and 3 records of May 2nd, and 1 record in May 3rd, and 2 records in May 4th. Okay, so we want to consolidate these records. How can we do that? Just select the group, select the column, right click, then go to group. Once you say the group, then it will also show you starting date and the ending date. It's fine, and you just go, instead of month, select dates. Okay, so you have days here, just select day. Number of days we want to group it, to 1 day. Okay, so press OK. Now you can see it is grouped for each day in the month. Okay, and you can also see that the number of records count. Okay, and sum of sales also added together. We will add it and see for the 1st of May. You can see 6548.69 the status bar. Okay, the same thing. So the sales date is grouped, in other words it's consolidating the sum of sales. Okay, and consolidating the sales, as well as it has given the record count also, how many records are there for each day, how many transactions are there in each day. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any comments or suggestions, you can leave it in the comments box. The channel subscription button is already there in the video, and God bless you.